Alright, we've got Hayley here today. So Hayley is a bikini fitness competitor.
Yes.
Who's midway through prep.
Midway through prep, so we're 9 weeks out of my first ever show. So into the nitty gritty stuff now.
Yeah. Great. How long have you been prepping?
Wow, 20-week prep, so 11 weeks, but I've been working for about a year. So.
Yeah. And in terms of like because obviously you're training a lot, you got a lot of stress in your nervous system as well. So where are you sort of getting most of the issues at the moment?
Most of my issues at the moment would be probably some imbalances with my left glute.
Yep.
So activation on my left side, as well as far as upper body goes, traps start to take over when I'm getting fatigued.
Yeah.
So that's definitely the most noticeable when I'm training. Sleep is starting to come out the window a little bit now as well, but mostly a bit of imbalances between left and right.
How many hours sleep are you getting at night?
Anywhere between 5 and 7. You know, 7 is like as much
as much as you get,
yeah.
And you're obviously working full time.
Yeah,
full time during the day as well.
Yeah, 40 hours a week, full time job on top of prep.
Yeah, and starting to cut calories and stuff like that.
Yeah, so calorie deficit, 5 days of strength training, 5 cardio sessions a week as well, steps, posing, like.
A lot of work.
A lot of stress on the body, yeah.
Yes, that's what we're here. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll start off, I'll basically do some tests with you to sort of see what's happening and how the body's responding, and then we'll do some adjustments, integrate it all, and we'll go from there, okay?
Yep.
Cool, so I'll go sitting there, facing this way.
Facing more, yep.
Okay, so just sort of see how your range of motion is through your neck, so just getting that left ear turned to left all the way. Any pain there?
No pain, but it's just a bit creaky.
Yeah. And to the right all the way, a little bit at the end. Yeah. A little stuck,
Yep.
You getting any sort of pain going down into your shoulder blades or anything like that?
Not pain, but definite tightness.
Tightness, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we'll do a muscle twist arms like this. And just keep them together. And nice and strong. Resist. Definitely the left side. Okay, and go again.
Okay.
Nice to keep them together, strong as you can go. Yeah, so your right can stabilise and your left's failing. So that's basically a muscle test with a little muscle called the subclavius there.
Yeah.
Because that's not performing its role properly. It's like it allows the clavicle or the collarbone to move when you're doing overhead pressing.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's that same little release that as well. Okay. Alright, so I'll get you. So we'll look at this as well. That one, right in the C2. Right on the base there as well. That's okay. That side's ugly in there. Okay, I'll get you on your back. Do your favourite.
We got.
Alright, so with this one, what we're doing, because obviously I feel like in your upper neck, so obviously a lot of areas very restricted and jammed up.
Yeah.
So basically we're going to do a few adjustments in your neck, but the first one it's like a long axis distraction adjustment. So it's called, like using this tool called the Y strap.
Yeah.
So basically it's just going to, everything is very compressed and all the load that you're taking the spine will start to create some space within the spine, okay?
Yep.
So with this one, I'll get you coming down just so your knees are down. Yeah, perfect. Yep. I'll get your head up and I'll work this in the gap. Yep. And head down. And like that. Cool. Okay. There. Okay, cool. Good. And that chin up all the way. Put your neck in extension. Good. Alright, so we'll just get that in. I'm just going to do this and distract, okay?
Oh!
How's the knee feeling?
Yeah. That was weird.
Alright, so just do this one here through the neck there. Just left here, just looking. Just right down there as well. Okay. Alright. Just release the front there. Because you're training so much, like particularly the front of your delts here, where like the pec attaches, it's just very inflamed, particularly your right side. Both, but the right side's not too fun. You can feel that, no doubt?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Grab this hand. Just open that one up. Okay. So you do.
Yeah.
We'll just do a release in here. So we're going to pin that, and you're going to take your arm up and down, okay?
Okay.
Yep. And go. And down.
Yep.
And down. And up. Down. You okay?
Yep.
Yep. Borderline tears. I might have to pull it back here just a couple of notches.
That hurts almost as much as training the shoulders.
Coach should be proud of you.
Yep. Thanks, Nicole.
And strong. Hold that there. That's good. Yeah, just a little bit. Go again. Feel that. Yeah. Now go rotate. Wrist down. Rotate out like that. Yeah. You notice when we did that, like your pelvis will just lift.
Yeah.
So when things are firing properly, you should keep everything pretty stable and resist.
Yeah.
But when like a telltale sign, so when the legs are up and you have to like rotate, it's just compensating because things aren't firing properly on your left side.
Okay.
Ooh.
Is the ankle detaching?
Right? Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, it's on. Okay.
Alright, I'll get this one here. And breathe in. And out. There we go. Cool. I'll get you sitting up, facing up. So this one, is arms up. Yep. And hands on my hands. More, and elbows forward. Yep, and breathe in. And out. All the way, looking up. Okay?
Yep.
Big running
My
door.
head's like
Hair's
spinning.
just bloody everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Came in looking $1 million bucks.
Well, at least I'll walk out feeling $1 million
That's
bucks,
it.
even if
That's
I don't
it.
look it.
You'll look $1 million bucks.
That's the
$1 million
most
bucks.
important thing.
Exactly right. Alright, and open the press both sides. And down, and up, and down, and up, and up. And just going again.
Mm-hmm.
And then down and up. This is just like one of your rotator cuffs.
Mm-hmm.
Just releasing it both sides. And up. Okay, I'll get you laying on your side for me, thanks Hayley. Just get
Yeah.
down there, facing this way.
Okay.
Cool. Another one we'll do.
Mhm.
Arm, just releasing in there, okay?
Yep.
So I'll just release your lat, so just doing that, yep. So I'll suck a bit as well. Yep, and just go fully all the way bending and extend up. Yep.
Ah.
Down. Down. And again. And up. Cool. Alright, come back. Okay. And on your tummy for me, face down. Alright. So just getting your right leg and raising as high as you can. Yep. And getting your left leg raising as high as you can. That's much lower. Yeah. Okay. And your right leg again. Yeah, so just left side, just haven't got as much movement through there. It's a bit sticky in the wrong bone. Okay. Alright, just this side here. Okay. And that right leg straight and raising it up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And the same thing.
Oh, that one hurts.
Just hitting the trigger point on a different angle. This one. That's what we normally do. Yeah. And that left one up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. Okay, what we'll do, we'll get you laying on your side facing me when you're good. This way. So this will just adjust your lower back.
Yep.
So this way, we'll get this adjusted more, that can start to help get the nerve pathways connecting better from your brain particularly to like your glute to your legs. When did you train legs last?
This morning.
Okay.
It's not a bad idea. Whoa. Oh, it's got to get done.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. This one.
Oh.
And on your tummy again.
Okay.
Alright, right leg up. High as you go. Left one up. Left one, as high as you go, as high as you can go. Good. Beautiful. Okay, I'll get you sitting up facing the wall. Okay, so left all the way. So left all the way. Beautiful. Really good movement. Any sort of stickiness in there?
No, that
That's
felt
good.
much better.
Cool. And it's that right arm like this. Good. Good there as well. I'll just get you standing here, facing this way. So just range of motion for your lower back. So just bending over and touching your toes. That feels fine?
Yep.
Yeah. And extend back. Away. Good. Yeah. Just rotate through that way. Good. Rotate through that way. Good. And last thing to do, I'll just get you sitting there facing that way again. So we'll retest. Basically, so this one will start a little bit.
Yep.
This is that one that we did at the start.
Yeah.
Stopped you from being able to get that subclavius muscle to work properly. This one sucks. Okay. Right, so we'll go again. Arms above, like this. Form a fist, but keep them together.
Okay.
Squeeze as strong as you can. Strong. Strong. Okay, good. Alright, fantastic. Very good. Did well. You passed. You passed. Flying colours. Yeah, so you'll see, like, particularly like with what we're doing, it's not even always just necessarily about like pain. Obviously, a lot of people come in with pain and things, but like even for your training, obviously if things aren't firing properly, you affect your strength, power activation, all that sort of stuff in your recovery. So you can sort of see any issues that can be anywhere, towards the shoulder or neck. Like if someone has like some neck discomfort or the neck's pretty jammed up and inflamed, it's inherently going to start affecting elsewhere. So we always look not just at the site where it's stiff or sore, but all the areas around it. Cool. Awesome. Beautiful.
Feeling better already.